sunshine, especially across the south of the UK this afternoon. Top temperatures today getting up to 6 degrees. It is now 8:37.
You know what's interesting about the One Direction story?
Yeah.
I spoke to my friend Steve Leeds, who works for Sirius XM.
Yeah.
It's a satellite channel in America, Canada, that used to have Radio 1 on, and they've done it anymore because they made a terrible mistake because we got too big for America. And he was going, my friend Steve Leeds, who was actually called Steve Leeds, by the way. It's not, it's not. He goes, we were talking about One Direction.
I love that.
And it was crazy.
They've done brilliantly. Number one album.
It's incredible.
You're saying it's the first time there's...
Yeah, it's the first time ever a debut British album has topped the US Billboard chart.
Hey there.